HPC name is. I swear to catch what, maybe he caught a fish. I hope I'm doing this good David Attenborough style. Get. He's trying to catch some fish. Is that an owl? No. I don't know what it is. Does anyone know? I have my comments turned off, so you won't be able to leave comments. Sometimes you always get some negative, and it just is not nice. You got nothing good to say, best to keep quiet. Why spoil it for everyone else, I say. The swan is over there. Yesterday and Easter Friday will come near me. Sort of in a way to say thank you for clearing it all up, all the mess and the yeah, some bird wood.